learn about the CodeCommit. CodeCommit is which is a private Git repository service, and the benefits of the CodeCommit is like unlimited size and like fully managed, secure, line like compliant, which is completely protected, and also it can be integrated with AWS CI tools. And also we need to keep in mind that CodeCommit has been completely deprecated from AWS, and now we are going to use like everything in the GitHub. And the code pipeline, which is the visual workflow for CI/CD pipeline, which where the stages are like the source, build, test, and deploy. We have like the code commit in the pipeline, we have code build in the pipeline, we have code deploy in the pipeline, and these are like supports manual approvals, uses S3 like for artifacts, which is used to store the code. and and also it can, all the logs can be completely monitored by the CloudWatch and also the IAM rules. Now let's learn about the code pipeline, which is a fully managed CI build, which is continuous integration build and complies code, runs test, and produces artifacts, uses Docker for reproducible builds and the security, KMS encryption, IAM, and VPC, configured via like the build spec.yml file. This build spec.yml file contains the environment variables, which is used to store some of the secret keys. And that's about the AWS core build. Now in AWS, like the code deploy, which is like automatically like deployments to the EC2 or like the Lambda ECS instance, and also it supports like in place deployments. Also it supports the blue green deployment, and the main feature is to roll back and the gradual deployment. Requires the code deploy agent on the instances. So there are like different kinds of like the deployment strategies. Some of them are like while updating the running instance, we have like all at once, we have half at a time, one at a time. Whereas the blue green deployment, we have like creating a new instance like shifts the traffic gradually, minimizes the downtime, and also the risk of the development strategies. And we also have canary deployment, which is used to split the traffic. About canary deployment I have explained in the previous tutorials. So the summary of the video is like CI/CD enables like safe and an automated like rapid deployments. Key AWS tools are like the code pipeline, code build, code deploy, and code commit is deprecated, which has been migrated to GitHub, and also supports like multi-stage manual approvals and the rollbacks. So this is all about the AWS CI/CD pipeline and code build, code commit, code deploy, code pipeline. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.